morning to you. And how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Baby eyes. Good morning. Are you ready for your breakfast? Let's do it. Little bit of an unusual day. Momo is not here, so I've already been up, fed the baby, done breakfast. Breakfast! Yes, I did breakfast. You know, sometimes you're not sure. Moms can relate. Yeah, so, right. Just put the baby down for a nap. And now I'm gonna try and do some other stuff in between. Yeah.
Just wake up. I go all a shower now. I never made it know, but last week, Alex, I was standing up right here, so after they come out of the shower, you know, I go, we just did a lotion up and get myself tilly up, you know. Alex walk in for me naked. So him say, oh, sorry. And him kind of walk back out. And notice we both been ignoring it. We haven't spoken about it. It's the first time him see me naked. I feel like we confront him about it today. You know, just talk about it. No big deal, no day. You know what I mean? We're a brother, and brother have to see one another naked. It's like, you know what I mean? You can't be brother if you don't see your brother naked at one time, even at one time. You know what I mean? So today, I'm gonna confront him and see him react. If we can talk about it, or if him gonna call up. Me and Atlas and Alex go out on the road. You see me, Alex have some school assignments to finish up. Yeah. Is what, physics labs?
Yeah.
Okay. Physics are your favorite subject?
No, my worst subject.
Worst subject?
My worst.
Jano, just push on there, man, because the truth is, nobody is on top form right now as a student. So if you just put even a little effort in, chances are you end up with a 1 and don't even realize. Is it me?
Yeah, true.
Yeah, man. So if you even can grind out these last couple of weeks, bro, trust me, me going into exams, I was just like, yo, I turn it up in the last 2 months. I turn it up, and nobody they expect me as a youth used to kind of, you know, DJ in a school and run joke and I wouldn't say class clown, but you don't know, we just have that little thing there where, you know, just like how it's a GST, you see me? Where I have to run joke and them something there. Nobody never expect me to get my result. Then when me get a 4 1s and 3 2s, me get in there, you never know.
Yeah, no, you tell me, man.
But they tell you?
Yeah,
4 1s and 3 2s. I probably tell him about 50 times. You hear me ask him about, yo, me never tell you. I love tell people, you know. 4 1 and 3 2, I'm proud star, I'm proud of myself. Remember, as a matter of fact, when me there Wolmer's, I repeat, I went up to 5th farm for 2 weeks, and I was like, you know what, I'm not ready for CXC, you know. I want to go back down to 4th farm because me told me did idle. Me did know in my mindset me never ready for the exam in the next year. So I go back down to 4th farm so I could have idle again for the year. You understand? And then we do over 4th farm and then come catch back 5th farm now, and I was like, yo, I done repeat already, I can't repeat again, so I did have to turn it up for CXC. You know them way there?
So all your friends did gone ahead?
A lot of my friends then did gone ahead, but 2 of my main friends did kind of do what me did do. So we did done plan it out, say, oh, the crew I go stay back in a 4th farm. And I write this up, G's and peace, I'm gonna put on my seat belt. Yo, I'm a real delinquent, you know, some stay from school days, you know. The crew did stay back, you see me? So you know we are
So
run
you
Fort
actually still
Farm.
had some of your old friends?
Yeah, just two of my core friends, and them a ball, and you know the whole away a ball, and the whole away a sportsman, and you know. But I bright you them same way still. But Alex, you know, say big man thing. Me did want to talk to you about something, cause I notice the two away kind of ignore it.
Oh, whatever.
Remember a couple of days now, you come in at the bathroom and never know somebody did naked.
Yeah, no.
Why?
Yeah, no. I did not, and I heard nothing.
Yeah, no, me never hear the knock.
Like,
Me never. So the door did
heard
lock?
No, it was wide open. You didn't even close the door.
Exactly, because Atlas did I come back and forth. Atlas did I watch him show. You see me?
Yeah,
so me didn't know, and I said, all right, I'm good. Ray, I lotion up and I get myself tilly up, and then me see you bust the corner. So tell me something now. You see me fully naked?
Yeah, fully.
You see me fully naked?
I just see your back though, you know.
You just see my back?
Yeah.
Okay, so you never. Phew.
Yeah, no man, honestly, I not even meant it. Like I didn't even meant it.
Yeah, no, because true we not talk about it. None of we never talk about it from it happening. You see me? Cause it's like me I say, oh Jano, Alex, like him kind of shame, you know. But I say, remember we are brother, you know. So brother and brother have to see them one another naked even at one time. You see me? Cause remember a long time I not see you naked, you know. But me used to be it. Remember say me have it from me a little youth. So me know. Oh, you understand? Boy, what a relief, you know? What a relief. I'm serious, say, you did catch me off guard the way they start. Yo, me a panicking, you know, that's why I never bother want to say nothing to you, come here, say, John, I don't want him to feel like, say, that me a fight with you, you know, car. You see me? Me think tougher than that, you see me? Cause in the call, you see me? And thing. So, I don't even know if I try, go around the thing, you know, like him see, and I go out like say him never see. But it's alright, people, me I go work with what him said.
I never see nothing. You're facing to the mirror. There's no way.
Alright, people. I gotta work with what you said. I work with what you said, party. Yeah, okay. That's a relief. But yeah, man. It's an energy. So he said, physics. So like how we dip on the road, might as well go when they come and know he's a man with Mr. Barbershop star. It's like. The reason why Alexa hide from the camera from what there, Alexa say, yo, star, they will look intact.
And Tami said she was going to call the barber, talk to Paul, probably tomorrow.
Yeah. Atlas?
Yeah.
How you stay? You okay? Huh? How you been so quiet? You sleepy? Oh, because you just wake up, it's still early in the morning. You're not tired yet. You want us to go buy some fruits?
Yeah.
Alright, later.
Is he at school?
Yeah, he's at school now.
Oh, yes.
We're gonna go get some fruits.
Yes.
Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba.
Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba.
Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba.
Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba.
Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba.
Aba.
Aba. Aba.
Why are you copying everything I say?
Why are you copying everything I say?
See what key?
See what key?
No, Daddy, just stop copying me. I love you, Mommy. Sorry.
I love you, Mommy. Sorry.
Daddy, stop it.
Give me about 5 bag of cake. More. You have orange? To give me half dozen orange.
Half dozen, please.
More 2 East Indian. Have nice East Indian?
Yeah.
2 East Indian. Give me 1 pear.
Here.
Yeah. Ready pear. Right?
For today
Or for tomorrow.
or tomorrow?
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Alright. Just.
Alright. Thank you.
So have an ID.
It's time to wake up the baby.
I love this. My busy boo. 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 My bus Jum jum.
Hey, Bobo.
Scrum scrum.
Time to eat.
Tuki tuki.
Time to wake up. Yeah. There you go.
Hey, baba baba.
He's like, don't wake me up.
Wake me up when it's all over.
Hi. Morning or good afternoon. It's not afternoon yet. What time is it? It's almost afternoon. Hi. What you doing? Hi. Let me see the moties. Oh, he does not want to wake up. Come on, we gotta stay on schedule. Come on. Come to mommy. Oh, diggy 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 diggy. You wake up so happy. You sleeping condensed milk? You sleeping condensed milk? Come on then. Let's go eat. Let's go. Oh, look.
See, as the big brother will love him,
Let's put
she's
him on the
on.
bed.
We're gonna eat first.
But let's
This
put him on
bromance is real. Oh, hush, 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 hush,
I broke my toe there one time too.
hush. Let's zoom in on that toe.
I know.
Let me see that toe.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
Ow!
Hush. This is the buck toe bed. If I see through the foot come out, you not expect say it jutting out, so it catch the whole away at least once.
Let's put up this,
No.
Why?
I don't want to. Thank you.
Oh, it's already
I'm gonna
open.
miss this. He's growing up too fast.
Let's brush his hair.
I'm so of
I'm
curry goat
gonna brush his hair.
Not with that brush.
And
That
brown
brush
shoe
is
chicken in a
really
plate.
hard. Feel it on your face and feel it's kind of tough.
and I washed down in me with beer.
He looks pretty good on me.
Careful.
It won't hurt.
Good job.
Huh?
Good job.
Okay. I'm gonna do it one more time.
Okay.
Yo, tell me why the writing on the phone then officer small man.
No, wait.
You can mash up my eyeball.
No. You need to go. You realize how old you are right now? You need to go to the optician. Like, you need glasses. Just work with it.
Yo, I'm old but I'm not cold. The writing them little and fine at them I take down
No,
my
babe.
eyesight.
No, you need to. I'm going to call Connie and set up an appointment. Stop it.
Hello.
For you. What do you mean?
I see
You
Daddy.
just want to play. I had to get glasses. Don't go around the thing with it. Make your life much easier.
But now I tell her like sometimes I read that night, it get fuzzy.
Your skin out like the apple.
Cheese on my guy. Wow. Oh my. R.I.P. to this orange.
Dad, can I have another one?
Easy lunch today. Have a good time, guys. Boom. I wish you could smell this stuff, and it's so easy to make.
Watch the master at work, man.
Oh.
The general at work, man. You think she normal? Editor, director, producer.
Wayne, don't try and boost me up.
Fair
What
chef
you want
soap.
from me?
Eh?
What you want from me?
I have a couple things I write on this. I WhatsApp it to you. And email. Alright?
Okay.
Okay. See what Jazzy Jazz there?
Hi.
Our favorite goddaughter.
No.
Can I please untangle this atlas?
No.
Please?
No.
Chef's
fine.
boss.
Hold it properly.
Yes, Pad. Start out the thing.
Yeah.
Alex, what you say? I get neat up. What kind of hairstyle you say I do?
Can we get a man bun, you know?
Man bun?
Yeah.
Oh, there's something where them flick up them hair. Murder. For the summer.
Yeah. Quarantine.
For the corona.
Yeah.
Strips up. So you never called me before, so I could have catch the, you understand?
Just then another one.
Strips up, you know.
Yeah.
One thing with the Mitchell boys, them star on a handsome boy. How we are going, man?
Wow, Atlas. You're so lucky mommy's not doing it this time, don't it? Yeah.
Jackson, to your handsome, the girl them gonna wanna take you for ransom. Handsome. Handsome Jackson. It's true, it's all true. It's the truth. To how him cute, the girl them gonna want him to recruit.
Jackson, I hope you don't walk with a Bluetooth.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, this
Dirt
isn't
going
bad.
in.
Oh, wow, it's fluffy.
I want to do.
Hold on. No, not
So
yet.
let's see what we have.
Some mint.
This. Rosemary. Oh, that goes spread in the tummy.
Oh, I want them, my thing there in a smaller pot. Jeez, them need water. You remember how them stand up this morning?
That's what my own look.
And don't I just have to just depot it and just put it in here?
No, wait, what?
May I just take you out of yourself and put it in yourself? Why are you laughing? I don't
No,
understand.
it's not, we need more dirt. So I need to know what's going in this pot. Cause do you want to put this in here?
No, I'm going to put that in a smaller one. You feel like something? Yeah, alright. Alright, hold on, Atlas. So this is a different basil to this basil, but they can live together.
Yeah, squeeze it.
Awesome. I can take off some of this dirt.
No,
'cause I
no,
don't
no.
know. Oh.
Cry. Oh God, Tami,
What?
man.
What did I do
You
wrong?
just need to straighten it.
Okay. Alright, next one.
God, you put it in lean.
Lord, plant not grow straight.
A joke you make.
That straight now? That look lean now.
No, it's not lean. It's just it needs to go a little deeper.
Oh, deeper? Oh. Hi, Kev.
Why is Atlas really like him bang now?
Look here. Are you a tell Munchi say the people I'm sick?
Yeah. Are you tell Munchi me now well?
Yes. Look how pretty this is. Yeah, the dirt is actually nice.
Plant some bush though.
It's not bush.
A bush. A bush.
That's pretty.
I think they're too close.
You think so? So why never say so sooner?
So that's fine.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Yeah. And then we'll just do the others.
Atlas never get no plan where they say my makeup now for last time.
No.
My God. To the man. Come like a cartoon. You know when they eat can cartoon?
Oh, you know all about that. That's exactly how you eat it in the car.
Yeah, mash up one too. Munchie again.
This
Come
time
like
with the crab.
Come like me rub butter on puss mouth. When we bring the little soup, come left out the crab.
Yeah.
See she got send feet there now. that thing. What's that, man?
I have to wear gloves because of the pepper. And if I'm handling the baby, can't have no pepper on your hand if you have to wipe out them eye or something.
I'm afraid the crab up the dream, man. I do with him so.
What do you mean?
My God. No, sir. Watch it. Brush off. Belly say eat the arm, the do the part too.
No.
People, I can't partake in a crab. You see, if me eat the crab, if I eat that crab right now, I swell up like Will Smith in a itch. Me that start itch, but me never wouldn't hitch in with that itch.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching that video.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.
And if you want to find out more information about all the other things we're doing, check the links in the description box. Thank you so much. #MTM Family.